This global movement of ISKCON, it all started with one humble man and a rather effortless philosophy that he believed in. Born in the 15th century in the small village of Navadvip in East India, he was an astoundingly wise and an enlightened young man. His profound ideologies made him an eminent leader of the Vaishnava clan very early on in his life. He traveled barefoot along the length and breadth of the Indian mainland, preaching his message. He was Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, the man who believed in the philosophy that one can succeed in their journey of spiritual awakening through the very simple act of chanting the name of their Lord. By this time, Kirtan had already made a mark as a flourishing genre of devotional performing art in East India. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was deeply touched by the efflorescence of this art form and decided to make it his own, expressing his complete surrender to his Lord Krishna. Now to me, you see, he was a master artist. It was his sheer brilliance to envision that the confluence of this rooted folk form and spirituality was the unrivaled foundation for him to build this massive revolution upon. Today's video is based on one of various different types of Kirtan, Pala Kirtan. Pala Kirtan at its core is a dramatic narrative with spontaneous exposition of the obscure, often culminating in ecstatic dancing. Today's rendition has the complexion and source of Radha's longingness, yet her playful devotion towards Krishna.
শত সয়েছি যাতনা পুরা এলো সুখী মধুর মাস কত শত সয়েছি যাতনা পুরা এলো সুখী মধুর মাস কতদিন ঢলেছে গোঠের পথে কত দিন ঢলেছে বাজেনি গো সেই বাঁশির সুরার বাজেনি গো সেই বাঁশির শত ফুল ছড়েছে কুঞ্জ বনে আসেনি সে তবু বাঁধে নূপুর জয় রাধে রাধে 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 জয় রাধে রাধে
জাল ফেলেছি মনের জলে এবার তোকে ধরবো বলে জগৎ ভুলে আয়না চলে আয় রে মাখন চোর জাল ফেলেছি মনের জলে এবার তোকে ধরবো বলে জগৎ ভুলে আয়না চলে আয় রে মাখন চোর ফাঁদ পেতেছি কদম তলে চোখের জলে বাঁধবো বলে জগৎ ভুলে আয়না চলে আয় রে মাখন চোর জাল ফেলেছি মনের জলে এবার তোকে ধরবো বলে জগৎ ভুলে আয়না চলে আয় রে মাখন চোর।